GiggleTown ABC A to Z song.
The Alphabet Adventure.
A bouncy, cheerful tune with a memorable sing-along chorus. Friendly voice. Welcome to GiggleTown, where the alphabet is fun. Are you ready to sing from A to Z? Let's go! Welcome to GiggleTown. Come sing with me through the A to Z. So happy and free. We'll clap for each letter as silly as can be. In GiggleTown ABC. Yay! A is for apple, so juicy and red.
Crunch!
B is for bubbles that float by your head.
Pop-pop!
C is for cat with a purr, soft and sweet.
Purr!
D is for drum, a fun raise-me beat.
Boom!
Welcome to GiggleTown, come sing with me through the A to Z, so happy and free. We'll stomp for each letter as silly as can be. In GiggleTown ABC.
Woo!
E is for egg with a surprise inside. Peep is for frog as it leaps and it hops.
We hop.
G is for guitar, strum with a grin.
Strum, strum.
H for hat for your hair or your chin.
Tip-top!
Welcome to GiggleTown. Sing quietly through the A to Z. Just you and me. We'll tiptoe for letters as quiet as can be. In GiggleTown ABC. I is for ice cream, the best treat to share.
Yum, yum!
J is for jumping high up in the air.
Whee!
K is for kite flying way up so high.
Soar!
L is for lion with a roar and a mane.
Roar!
Welcome to GiggleTown. Shout it with glee.
Through the A to Z, for you and for me.
We'll shout for each letter as loud as can be. In GiggleTown ABC.
Hooray!
M is for moon, glowing gentle and warm.
Shine!
N is for nest where the small birdies rest.
Tweet, tweet!
O is for owl with the wise spinning head.
Hoot, hoot!
E is for penguin, so wobbly and slick.
Wobble, wobble!
Let's march for our letters. Ready? A, B, C, D. Q is for queen with the crown and a wave. R is for robot that beeps and it boops.
Beep, boop!
S is for sun that keeps us all warm.
Ah!
T is for train on a track, clickety-clack.
Chugga, chugga!
Welcome to GiggleTown, so silly and free. Through the A to Z, just laugh along with me. We'll wiggle for letters as goofy as can be. In GiggleTown ABC.
Ha, ha!
U is for umbrella, for a rainy day.
Blink, blink!
V is for violin, played with the song.
Dee-dee-doo!
U is for whale, swimming wild and free.
Slush!
X is for xylophone, music so grand.
Ding dong!
Y is for yo-yo that goes up and down.
Whoosh!
Z is for zebra with stripes black and white.
Yo!
Z is for Z's at the end of our song. We made it from A all the way to Z. So long. We sang through GiggleTown from A to Z to write the happiest letters you'll ever see. Give yourselves a clap. 1, 2, 3 for GiggleTown ABC. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? In GiggleTown, where we're always free. Bye-bye, letters. E.